Hello everyone, welcome to another video from C-Brockett Financial Services. In today's video, we're going to jump right into it. It's going to be a fairly easy one, but what we're covering in this video is what? Final expense life insurance. Now, before we jump right into it, I want to inform you all that we highly recommend these type of final expense life insurance policies for the elderly individuals, let's say age 60 and older, that don't have life insurance but need life insurance to cover their funeral expenses. This is who we recommend these policies for. Or let's say individuals who were denied, term insurance or a regular life insurance policy or whole life policy. This is what we recommend to a lot of individuals that have, common health issues: cancer, high blood pressure, obesity, high cholesterol, HIV, and just other health issues. These are who we recommend these policies for. Now, before we jump into it, make sure you follow us on Instagram, C-Brockett Financial Services, and YouTube, C-Brockett Finance. Now, let's jump into it. The first bullet point, what we have right here, a final expense life insurance policy, is a whole life policy. So what a whole life policy is, let's say I'm age 50 and I sign up for this type of policy. This meaning that at the age of 50, when the policy is approved, I will be guaranteed that insurance amount for the rest of my life. So that policy will cover me for the rest of my life. Different from a term policy, which has different term periods. So that's the first thing about a final expense policy. This is why it's good if you're an elderly individual that don't already have life insurance, because it's a whole life policy and it'll cover you for the rest of your life. Now, the next bullet point is no medical exam. What I mean by no medical exam is that they don't have individuals that come do your urine tests, your blood work, your weight. That is not required for this policy. However, they do pull your medical backgrounds to find out what's on your HIPAA documents. So that's another thing that you should know about this policy. The next thing, and this is what a lot of individuals need the education part on regarding the final expense policy, because a lot of individuals didn't get the insurance amount that they were guaranteed. Now, let's say if you're a healthy individual that doesn't have any insurance, but you're looking for insurance and you're elderly. The available amount for most insurance companies is $30,000. So from the day that I'm approved for that amount, which it should take, roughly, 48 hours or 72 hours to receive approval for, I will be guaranteed, if I died tomorrow, my family will be guaranteed $30,000 if something happened to me. Now, let's say I'm an individual who has health issues. I put the health issues over here. There are many more: cancer, HIV, diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. Let's say I'm an individual that suffers from one of those common health issues, or multiple health issues. What the insurance company will do then is give me a guaranteed death benefit, and these amounts can generally go up to $10,000. However, if I'm approved for that life insurance policy, what happens during the first 2 years is that none of the insurance amount, for example, the full $10,000 of insurance, is not guaranteed. So what most companies will do at that point, if an individual did pass away during those 2 years, is that they will do a return of premiums, which is the money that you paid into that policy, plus a small percentage. Now, if you are a healthy individual, most companies from day one will guarantee you, $30,000 of insurance. But if you're not healthy, they are giving you $10,000 of insurance, but you have to live through the first 2 years of that policy. Now, right beneath I have is a funeral policy. What most individuals do when they get this policy is that they're planning their funeral expense, because they haven't had life insurance through as a younger person. What they're trying to do is plan for the funeral expense. So this is why they will get that policy. Now, what we're going to do right here, I'm just going to jump right to the pros of this policy. It's fast insured, meaning that once you do the policy, some companies have an approval right when you're doing the policy as they're pulling your medical backgrounds. Some companies may take 72 hours. So it's fast and insured. The next thing, set premiums. So what I mean by set premiums, let's say, for example, they give me $30,000 of insurance. I'm approved day one. Yes. Now, let's say my premium is $60 a month, which is my payment. My payment will stay level throughout that term for the rest of my life for that policy. The next thing, good for people with health issues. I already labeled the health issues here, but I say them again: cancer, HIV, diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. Now, that's why this policy is good, because a lot of individuals were denied term. A lot of individuals were denied, regular whole life policies or index universal policies. So if they don't have life insurance and they haven't saved up enough funds throughout their life, they need to get a final expense policy. And just to break it down, I highly recommend this to elderly individuals such as our parents or individuals with health issues. Make sure that you have life insurance. Is very, very important in our time frame. We have a lot of things going on in the world that we cannot control. So, but one thing that we can control is getting life insurance. So that was the quick video for today. If you don't have life insurance and you don't have and you have an elderly individual in your family who needs life insurance, make sure you educate them about the final expense policy. They can look at this video. It'll be up tonight, and that's it. You all have a wonderful day.